What is up, everybody? This is Itamoto coming at you from Boise, Idaho. Coming up, we've got a tutorial on how to install a Ram center mount on 2015 through current Yamaha R3. So if you want to ride around with one of these, stay tuned. Alright, here is everything you're going to need to set up the Ram mount on the R3. So you got an M6 40mm double-sided male screw, your 1-inch Ram ball, your X mount, also with the 1-inch ball. I got the 2-inch Ram arm, which it's pretty snug. You actually can't even fit it on there with this. So I went and got some wing nuts from the hardware store. They're 1/4 inch with a 20 thread pitch, I think is what that is. You can correct me in the comments if I'm wrong, whatever. And tools, 11 mil for the base of the Ram ball, and then this number 4 Allen key to get off the stock screw, and of course some thread lock. Let's go over to the bike. Let's get started. So this is the screw where you're going to be putting the Ram mount. So just take off the stock screw. And the good news is, if you do, like scratch anything or break it or whatever, this cover, like $20, super cheap. So I would save this for later, just in case you do want to take your Ram mount off in the future, get a new bike or whatever. So crack open your thread lock. Alright, so let's get ready to install this bad boy. First things first, put a touch of thread lock on the portion. Oh, fuck. Don't do that. Put a little touch of thread lock on the portion that's going to be going into the Ram mount, so that way it's got a solid surface to stick to. And just screw this all the way down. Okay, just get it finger tight. It's good enough. And then when you make a mess, clean it up. I wouldn't recommend using your shirt, but whatever. Let's get this prepped for install. Take that big old plastic wing nut off there and just pop on one of these, so you can get it installed nice and quick in just a minute here. Now, let's take this over to the bike. Getting this installed, it's kind of a son of a bitch, I'll be honest with you. So it is a really, really tight fit. And yes, that's what she said. So I might cut some of this out, but it'll just take some finicky know-how and whatnot. Just take some time with it, get it down there snug. And if you'll notice, that factory bolt wasn't on there super tight. There also was not Loctite in there, so I did not put Loctite on that side. I only put it on the side with the Ram ball. Alright, so you're going to have to angle this wrench a little bit. Okay. So there you go. There's the Ram ball. Now time for the Ram mount. So these things are pretty neat. I'm not gonna lie. Okay. Let's get this about as loose as it'll go. And let's give this a shot. Hopefully this fits. And it does. Perfect. So you're going to have to kind of wiggle this in there. And this sits almost flush with the gas tank when it's done. So if you want, your ram mount to be a little bit higher up, then get the next longest one. This one is 2 inches from the mounting balls. So I would get the next step up. I think it's 3 inches or 2.5 or something like that. But this works for my application. You don't have to use a wing nut, but for me, this is what I want. Okay. Get that real snug. There we go. Boom. Yeah. And voila. So for me, that is perfect. Move your handlebars both ways. Handlebars both ways. Full lock. Just make sure it doesn't interfere. That's it, guys. This has been a tutorial on how to install a Ram X mount on a Yamaha R3. If you enjoyed it, hit that subscribe button for more videos in the future. And I will see you guys later.